Question number 9, paper 12. So what it says, the diagram shows part of the curve y is equal to 9 over 2x plus 3 crossing the y-axis at point B03. The point A on the curve has coordinates 3, 1 and the tangent to the curve A crosses the y-axis at C. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve at A. So we need to find the equation of a tangent at A. So we know the point, it's 3 and 1, and what else we need, because the equation is y is equal to mx plus c, so we can find c using this point A, but we need to find the gradient. So in order to find the gradient, we can use the curve. So y is equal to 9 over 2x plus 3, so we can differentiate it. Here what we can do, we can write it in power form to apply the power rule. So once we'll apply the power rule, so minus 9 times 2x plus 3 to the power of minus 2, and then we have to apply chain rule in it, so we need to differentiate the inside of it. So that means the first derivative will be minus 18 over 2x plus 3 to the power of 2. So this is the gradient of the curve. So gradient at this point will be, so we need to plug this point x is equal to 3 inside this curve. So minus 18 over 2 times 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 square. So that means minus 18 over 9 square, which is 81. So we can simplify it, 9 times 2 and 9 times 9. So now we know the gradient, so that means the equation of the tangent will be minus 2 by 9x plus c. So it passes by A, so we can substitute the values of x and y. So 1 is equal to minus, so 3 times 3, so minus 2 by 3 plus c. So c is equal to 1 plus 2 by 3, so which means c is equal to 5 by 3. So therefore equation of tangent will be minus 2 by 9x plus 5 by 3. So for the second part, whether it's C is nearer to B or to O, so what we can do it, let's see, we can find this y-intercept and then we can check. So now for this y-intercept, we're looking for y-intercept, so we can substitute x as 0 in this equation, because this is equation of tangent continuing. So minus 2 by 9 times 0, and which is 5 by 3, so y is equal to 5 by 3. So now from here to here, so we can calculate the distance. So O to C is 5 by 3, and then BC distance will be, we can use this let's say distance formula to prove it. So it's x2 minus x1, so it's 0, and then 3 minus 5 by 3 squared. So that means B to C is 9 minus 5, which is 4 by 3. So square and square root will cancel out, so BC is equal to 4 by 3. So this is 1 and 2/3, and this is 1 and 1/3. So that means C is needed to B. Then in third part, So we need to show that showing all necessary working out, we need to find the exact volume obtained when the shaded region is rotated through 360 about the x-axis. So now we need to use the formula. So that formula will be, so third part, so find showing all necessary working the exact volume obtained when the shaded region is, so volume around x is equal to limit a to b integral a to b pi y square dx. So that means vx is equal to, so limits are from 0 to 3 because this is the shaded region. So 0 to 3, then y is 9 by 2x plus 3 whole square pi dx. So if we simplify this, so this will be 0 to 3, pi can be written here, so it will be 81 over 2x plus 3 square into dx. So then we can integrate it. So pi, so now if we are going to integrate it, so it will be what? So 81 into 2x plus 3 to the power of, so minus 2 plus 1 over minus 2 plus 1, and then also inside this part, so this 2 will go here. So we are using that formula 1 over a into x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 into a. So that means the volume along x is equal to pi times 81. So it will be 2x plus 3 to the power of negative 1 over negative 2. So we can substitute the limits, so which is 0 to 3. So if we substitute the limits into it, so let's write in this way, so it will be 81 pi over 2x plus 3 and negative, so 0 to 3. So once we will substitute the limit, so upper limit minus lower limit, so once we will substitute 0, so first we substitute the upper limit, so upper limit, let's say here, so minus 81 pi over, so 2 times 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, and then minus and minus it will make plus, so then 81 pi over 3. So then if we simplify it, this one, so what we will get, so minus 81 pi by 9 plus, so we can multiply this 3 to simplify it, or other way around we can simplify the first part of it, so 3 times 27 and 3 times 3 plus 81 pi by 3. So 81 minus 27, so volume will be 5, so 54 by 3 pi. So this will be the volume for this one.